Another day, another video. In this video, I share with you 10 business ideas for women entrepreneurs. Each one of these is different and has a niche market. They are also fun, without being too difficult to get started. Women today are more career-focused, intelligent, and competent. Thousands of women are entering the workforce with unique ideas, visions, and skill sets. However, even the most motivated women have trouble finding the right business ideas. There are several business ideas for women, but the best business ideas match your budget, interest, skills, and other factors. Women now do all kinds of businesses, including accounting, wedding planning, and fitness training. The most important thing is to find something you're passionate about. The following are the 10 best ideas for women entrepreneurs in 2022. 1. Blogging. This is one of the women's most practical business ideas since you can do it from home. One of the best things about this job is that you can work at your own pace. Creating a blog involves developing a website and writing articles about anything that interests you. Among the topics you can choose are cooking, sports, education, politics, etc. Starting a blog has several benefits, but you must first work hard to increase traffic. You can earn a good amount from sponsors and ads as soon as you have enough visitors. 2. Event planning. Women are naturally good at organizing and planning. Event planning can be a great option if you possess these qualities. Sadly, many people lack the time and expertise to organize an event. This job needs multitasking and coordinating well with other departments. The more opportunities you grab to plan an event, such as a birthday party, corporate or social event, retirement party, or any other local event, the better. When you have multiple events simultaneously, you must ensure you can manage them well. A good team would help you do that. Therefore, when it comes to event planning, you should always contact decor companies, caterers, flower arrangements, photographers, DJs, etc. These professionals will ensure that your event is not good but the best. 3. Marketing agency. Marketing agencies are needed to tell each brand's story. As more businesses open, there is a growing demand. Another business idea for women is to start a marketing agency. This requires very little upfront investment. A solid customer base is what you will need. It's not an easy task, but it is possible. You can either invest in word-of-mouth promotion or create a new service offering. 4. Online school/tutoring. Online learning gained popularity during the pandemic. This trend is expected to continue into 2022. People seek tailored learning, whether writing, baking, languages, or algebra. This means you can offer your skills via an online course, pre-recorded online course, or live online sessions. This allows you to offer customized learning while still offering high-quality services to your customers. 5. Home bakery. Women entrepreneurs can start a home bakery business with very little investment. You only need to invest in the initial stages, including the licenses and permits and the ingredients for the delicious recipes. People want a sense of belonging, so a good phone camera and live streaming of your cooking can be a great marketing tool. It doesn't end with your food. You can also arrange cooking lessons. The key is to create a memorable cooking and food experience. 6. Online fashion boutiques. These days, fashion boutiques can be operated with very little capital. Social media allows using a fashion boutique without a physical location. Instead, you can advertise fashion clothes in your home or apartment, with shipping only being handled by you. You can also resell or flip old clothes. It's all about the marketing and creativity you bring to your brand, empathizing fully with your customers. 7. Bookkeeping and accounting. Reliable bookkeeping services are essential for businesses. It's easy to set up your own bookkeeping company online because most work can be done online. Professional advice is needed for those just starting or with less experience running a business. A skilled accountant and bookkeeper is a great asset. This will allow you to make a lot of money if you plan your business well in advance and offer unique service packages. 8. Grant writing agency. Funding is essential for schools, NGOs, and community groups. They must apply for competitive grant programs to receive a budget. Your business can help. Writing skills and the ability to make compelling arguments are vital for securing grants. Grant writing skills are the most significant upfront investment. Gifts are often very competitive. You might also work for a commission to help expand your business. 9. Virtual assistant. Many companies choose to outsource their administrative work to ops professionals. It takes very little capital to start a virtual assistant company. You can also do the majority of the work remotely. This reduces running costs. You can also build long-lasting partnerships by offering value-added services and going the extra mile for your clients. 10. Create an online craft shop. You don't have to invest much if you're good at the arts. You can concentrate on the creative part with platforms like Etsy that have pre-built audiences and offer free marketing. You can make jewelry, print designs, or crochet stuffed animals. This will allow you to stand out and focus on your craft instead of worrying about business building. If you're passionate about cosmetics, a lipstick business is a great way to start a small business. It can also be very profitable and cost-effective. Conclusion. We think these are some of the business ideas for women entrepreneurs which will be relevant for many years. You don't need to worry if none of them work for you. You should develop a market research plan and start looking for market needs. It would help if you started with yourself. What services and products do you feel are missing? How can you meet those needs? Follow that up with some thorough research, and then take action. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.